Stephanie Ann B. El Mission, your Binibining Kayambanan for the search of Binibining Urdaneta 2019. This park and monument was built in honor of the Spanish navigator and priest Father Fray Andres de Urdaneta, and already completed the half-size modern version of Urdaneta's ship with the monument of Father Urdaneta on the top. This newly renovated park, located beside the old City Hall, is named after one of the Urdaneta's best local chief executives. It provides local residents with recreational area to relax, recharge, and reflect. Come and join me to witness the lifestyle gallery of Urdaneta City. Orlando S. Lagman made these paintings and was awarded as the Most Outstanding Filipino Professional Award. Urdaneta is called the Divisoria of the North because it has the biggest wholesale market for vegetables. Buyers and resellers from all over the Philippines flock to this market to get wholesale prices.
Arya, welcome to Barangay Kayambanan under the leadership of our punong barangay, Norberto Sigot Gutaon, and our SC Chairman, John Irvin Viernes. Hinanap nila ang hari at reyna pero hindi nila nakita. Dahil dito ay isinama na ng buwan ang Sansita kahit saan siya magpunta. Welcome to Purok Uno. In our barangay, we have our own gasoline station located at Zone 1. Here at the Tarlac, Pangasinan, La Union Expressway that connected to our barangay, particularly in Zone 1, with the newly installed CCTV. Welcome to Purok 2. Sports is very important, especially in our generation, to avoid illegal drugs and illegal habits. Welcome to Purok 3. Goldland Natural Spring Resort is one of the tourist spots that Barangay Kayambanan could offer to everyone. Welcome to Purok 4. Rice mill is one of the main source of income in our barangay. Livel's Kambingan is the best recipe that our barangay could offer to everyone. Welcome to Interior City, from Zone 5 to Zone 6. Interior City is a small community here in our barangay that unites the Zone 5 and the Zone 6. Welcome to Purok 7. In our barangay, we have irrigation that we'll use for watering agricultural farm. Zone 7 is the biggest purok that also have its own elementary school. I am Stephanie Ann B. El Mission, your Binibining Kayambanan for the search of Binibining Urdaneta 2019.